If you want to clear your YouTube search and watch history to keep your recommendation fresh or just for privacy reasons, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to do it on any device. So let's get started. First things first, launch the YouTube app and make sure you're signed in. Tap on your profile picture in the top or in the bottom corner, then tap on your data in YouTube. After you've tapped on your data in YouTube, scroll down and tap on watch history. Here you can tap manage history to access options to clear watch and search history. You can delete all time, delete custom range, or delete today's watch history. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Instagram search and watch history on any device. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.